Hello everyone, Artisan Pirate here. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, to timestamp it is May 18th, and we are at beautiful Lake Jordan Park and Marina. We are up here at the Seaforth Shelter. I don't know if you can see the shelter up there above the tree line, but it is now time for the annual North Carolina Woodworkers picnic and raffle. Really cool. It's such a picturesque place to come to. Lake Jordan here is one of the biggest lakes in the state of North Carolina. It has natural beaches where you can go and swim in it. They let you put boats, skis, jet skis, all that out on it, and of course go fishing. But we are up here today for woodworking. You can kind of see the shelter right there. Everyone is getting set up. This is kind of a potluck meal where everybody brings their own dish, and then the meats are catered by NC Woodworkers. But I'm up here. I came here last year for the very first time ever, and I didn't document anything on film, so I wanted to bring the cameras along for this one. I have made some raffle prizes, of course, as well as several other artisans, but there is some high-end tools that's also going to be part of the raffle. It's a $5 raffle, so good luck to all the contestants who have entered the raffle. But I wanted to bring you all along, and it is a beautiful May day on Lake Jordan, so follow along. And after filming the intro to the video, I walked back up the hill to the Seaforth Shelter, and it's a beautifully designed shelter with a fireplace on it, and it has electricity as well. And you can see all of the tables were being set up as people came in. I arrived a little after 9 a.m., so at the time where I'm filming here is around 9:30 a.m. and so I'll stop, give hats to everyone. There were several of these hats given out. I know SawStop always goes above and beyond when they do their live demos, and their representatives that come out are top notch. But here is the view walking in from the parking lot, and it is at shelter number 9 near the beach access. And I'm so happy we had nice weather on this day. Here is where all the food was being brought to. Again, it was a potluck meal affair, and after all of those tables were full, the tables were creaking under the weight of all the delicious food. But here you see more people coming in, and you can really tell the camaraderie and closeness of the North Carolina Woodworkers group. Everyone is like family here, and some people only make this one event, so everyone was sitting down to catch up with each other. Here is the door prize table, and believe it or not, everyone that came got one free item off of this table, and you can see it's packed full of goodies. There is abrasives from Klingspor Woodworking Shop, there's CA glue, pen turning kits, hats, shirts, brushes, glue, you name it, it was on this table. And this was just the free door prize table, so that was really cool. I ended up with a pen turning kit. And North Carolina Woodworkers were also selling their beautiful t-shirts in a variety of colors. And again, all of the proceeds go to a great cause. And here is the raffle prize table. The grand prize was a fully loaded Rikon bandsaw. The second top prize was a Festool sander and dust collection system. But there is also beautiful handmade artisan gifts here. I was humbled to be asked to make something. I of course made a custom compound cut keychain and a compound cut puzzle box on the scroll saw. But some beautiful items here, and all of this is part of the $5 raffle. And I'm so happy and thankful to be part of the amazing North Carolina Woodworkers. And some people brought tools and items to sell. You can always pick up something for a great deal here at the picnic. People just clean out their garages or storage areas, or people who buy estate sales. And of course, everyone likes to haggle and get something for a great deal. But it's always great to see what everyone brings for sale and just talk with your fellow woodworking friends. But now it's getting to be around 11 o'clock, and the board members are making announcements, encouraging everyone to buy the raffle tickets and place bids for the silent auction. And again, this event takes place at beautiful Lake Jordan, and it's just so much to see and do. And you know, there was some storms in the previous week, but thankfully the weather cleared and allowed us to have this amazing event. But everyone was still slowly gathering, approaching to the 12 o'clock time for lunch. And all of the raffle tickets were going in here, so it was fair play. There was no favoritism. It was just rolled around and a ticket was drawn, which is always good. But the Seaforth Shelter is a beautiful area to have an event like this. And now it is lunchtime, and you can see everyone here is gathered. And it was a great crowd of over 100 of us. Everyone was kind of just sitting together, eating, sharing stories, sharing jokes, laughing, and of course memories were made. And that's the most important part when you're part of a group like this. But after lunch was had and everybody had cleaned up, it was time for a very quick business meeting where they updated everyone on everything that was going on in the North Carolina Woodworking Group. And that took about 10 minutes. And then it was time for the raffle. And keep in mind, you did not have to be present to win a raffle prize. The raffle tickets could be purchased through the website or the day of the picnic itself. But this is the favorite part of the day. There was several rounds of applause, and I want to go on and say thank you to all of the vendors and tool companies who donated goods for the raffle, as well as all the artisans who took time to make something for the raffle. There was over 90 prizes to give out. So this took a little time, but it was well worth it. If you guys like what you're seeing, I would highly encourage you to subscribe to the channel and also follow me across all my social medias under the Artisan Pirate name. I'd really appreciate the support. And all too soon, the picnic was over and it was time for us to pack up and head home. And that's going to about wrap up our time at Lake Jordan for the annual North Carolina Woodworkers Picnic and Raffle, once again at beautiful and picturesque Jordan Lake. It is now time for everyone to pack up their stuff, and we will all go our separate ways. So safe travels to everyone who journeyed to come to this amazing event. I know there is cases where sometimes people only get to make this one event a year, and they say it's so worth the drive in. And this is my second year ever coming to this event and my first time documenting it in the retrospective style for you guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I will leave links to the North Carolina Woodworkers and their social medias down in the description box below these videos. It's now time to take the hour or so ride back home. Congratulations to everyone who won a prize today at the picnic. Again, all the money raised goes to a great cause. But I hope you guys like this video. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to it and also follow me across all my social medias under the Artisan Pirate name. As always, links to contact me as well as all my social medias will always be linked down in the description box below these videos. That's about all for this one. And remember guys, if I can make it or do it, so can you guys. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care. And I'll see you guys real soon.